What's up, guys? Welcome back, everybody. Techie Garage here. So I want to disclaim this video off the bat by saying yes, this is the DDR3 post video. However, I already actually did this video once already. I'm just doing it again because I don't know, watching it back, I wasn't really all that oh yeah, this is really what I want to put on YouTube. I had doubts about actually wanting to publish it, so I'm gonna do it again. But if you guys for whatever reason would like to see it, it's kind of, I don't know, it just seemed a little awkward for me. It was a little awkward for me watching it, so that's why I was like, you know what, it's awkward for me, it's probably gonna be awkward for other people, so that's why I didn't publish it. I'm gonna do a new video. We do have the RAM. It is this guy, or this. Screenshot that or whatnot if you are able to. If you'd like to know what it is. But it's Kingston DDR3 HyperX Blue. And there's nothing particularly fancy or special about this type of RAM. It's just what I usually gravitate towards. So this is a 4 gig stick. I have two 4 gig sticks. And that will be the 8 gig kit that this system will recognize, so the capacity won't be a problem. And yeah, and again, these, like I said in the last video, these are raw unedited videos. If you like this type of video, let me know down in the comments below, yeah, hey, I really like that. And if you aren't too much of a fan, let me know. I'm hoping between the SSD and this RAM that I will eventually be able to start editing on the computer again, because I realize to edit or do, there's things that I can download per se to edit on the phone, but that just all is going to take space, and I already don't have enough space for a lot of what I want to do, so that's why I'm just trying to keep it simple. Just record it, post it, and put it up, and then get rid of it. So without further delay, I will get these installed and we will turn on and post it. There's one of two is installed. Alright, RAM is installed, and just like in my first attempt to do this video, I don't have any keyboard, mice, well, mice wouldn't matter, but I don't have any keyboard attached. My SSD is not plugged in. I don't think I have power going to it. I know I don't have data going to it, so it will eventually just do its thing once it posts. And until I get an operating system on it, there's not much more I can do. I just want to be able to post a stupid thing with RAM. That's all I'm trying to accomplish at this point. So let's do it. So turn the, well, it's not really a monitor, it's more just my TV. So computer's plugged in, power supply's turned on, all that good stuff. So now it's basically just better hitting the power button. So let's do it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, if I can, that is what's supposed to happen. that is how it's supposed to be. Tells me my BIOS, there's no hard drive, no keyboard detected. And so yeah, so all that information, I already knew all that. So basically right now it's just going to basically sit and spin on idle because it can't go anywhere. Because it's like, I can't boot in anything. I don't have a keyboard, so I don't know what you want me to do. But this is it. It's posted. It's official. We're golden. DDR3 is running. So there's no errors. So that's awesome. So like I said, SSD, DDR3, we're good. So I will keep the other video on my phone just in case you guys want to see what I thought. Like if you guys want to see it and see why I thought it was awkward and make your own opinion whether or not it was right for me not to or not, I will leave it on for, see, this is March, I actually don't know off the top of my head, and apparently I can't. Oh, it's March 15th. So it's March 15th, 2022 at the time of recording this. So I will keep it on my phone until, I'll give it 3 months. So, see, this is March. So, June. So if by June 15th I haven't had any requests in the comments to see my awkward video, I'm gonna delete it. So, there you have it. Straightforward to the point. You got 3 months. If you want to see it, let me know within that time frame. After that, it's gone. So, yeah, that pretty much does it. After this is just Windows 7 and upgrade to 10, which won't be a big deal. If you want to see a video on that, well, thing is that's gonna take like, it's gonna be like a 40-minute video or so to install Windows. So I'm not really sure how to do that. I kind of, the Linux thing was a little awkward, so I think I might not, because it's an install. There's not usually a whole lot to it, and most people are probably just installing 10 or whatnot anyway. So I think the next one is just going to be switching out the AMD guts, because I have this, like you guys have already seen, my AM2 setup. I just gotta get the guts out of here, put those guts in there, post, and now that I have DDR2 that I can put in that, so that can do the swaparoo, and eventually get Linux 20.04, because this is 64-bit, so now I don't gotta play with anything anymore. So that'll do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm happy. I'm very happy to say that I have DDR3 running. It's 1333, but unless I go in and overclock it, it'll be downclocked. That's just the way it works. So, yeah. I might do a quick short video on me figuring that out, but other than that, we're pretty much, I think, done with this system right now. So, that'll do it. I can't wait to get into Windows and get the system going again and have it running and just being able to use it. So, yeah, I will leave it at that. Like and subscribe. Techie Garage is out.